Hi guys, welcome back. Backup important before system update is essential to avoid data loss. But what if you forgot to backup data before update or reinstallation? So here in this video we will show you how to recover lost files after update to macOS Sonoma. If you want to recover lost files after the macOS Sonoma update, then 4DDiG Mac Data Recovery is the best option. Using 4DDiG Mac Data Recovery, you can recover everything you lost from Mac and all Mac-based devices, including USB, SD card, digital camera with nearly 100% success rate. Just download this tool from 4ddig.com, run it on your computer, select the location where the lost files stored before. Here we select the local drive, click Scan. Choose file types you want to recover, and click Scan selected file types. A few moments later, recoverable files will be listed here. You can check by tree view or file view. Select the files you want to recover. Click Recover and select a path to save them. Now, your files are back. If this video is helpful, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.